Are you struggling with coding tasks like debugging, writing repetitive code, or trying to come up with the perfect syntax? What if I told you there's a free tool that can help you solve these problems instantly and even make coding feel like a breeze? Introducing TRAE, a smart, adaptive coding tool that's designed to change the way you work. With TRAE, you get real-time suggestions, instant error fixes, and the ability to generate entire projects with just a few words. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how TRAE's IDE is a total game changer for coders like you. Now, let's talk about what makes TRAE so unique and powerful. Imagine having a team of AI agents, each with a unique set of skills, perfectly designed to handle any task you throw at them. With TRAE's revolutionary agent system, you can customize one or more agents to fit their personal development workflow and enrich them with external tools via MCP.
For example, let's say you work with a specific application or a complex database. You could create a custom agent, like demo agent. You'd teach it how your agent works. Maybe you are creating a website or a file with the right information. Then simply ask it for help, and it will handle responses and generate the code for you. It's like having an extra hand that helps you work faster. Once you've perfected an agent for your workflow, you can easily share it with your team or the community using TRAE's Share Agent feature. And right here,
while Cursor offers pre-configured AI agents, it uses GPT-4 and Claude models for intelligent code suggestions, multi-line completions, and a smart agent system to help you work more efficiently. It's simple and ready to go, but you can't customize it. With Cursor, you get ready-to-go helpers, which is good for simplicity, but you can't really mold them to your unique workflow or connect them to specific external tools like you can with TRAE. So if you want full customization and the ability to enhance your AI with external tools, TRAE is the way to go. Cursor is perfect if you prefer a simple, all-in-one AI assistant with less customization. Now let me know in the comments which one you're choosing. TRAE doesn't just help you with coding, it understands how you work. It connects with your code, IDE, and even pulls in info from the web to get a full picture of your workflow. Plus, you can set custom rules to make it behave exactly how you want. Cursor, on the other hand, is great for quick tasks like code completion and bug fixes, but it doesn't dig as deep into your workflow or let you customize the AI's behavior as much. It doesn't stop there. It's a total game changer. It is an intelligent programming feature that can guess what you'll type next and apply multiple lines of code with just one press of the tab key. Talk about saving time. It's like having a mind-reading helper that makes coding, while Cursor offers smart code completion, suggesting what comes next as you type. But it doesn't have Q's ability to apply multiple lines of code with one click. Instead, it focuses on giving suggestions and helping you fix errors along the way. You're probably wondering about the pricing, right? That's where TRAE truly stands out with its developer-friendly pricing. Let's break it down for you. Cursor's Pro plan typically costs $20 a month if you pay monthly. For this, you get unlimited agent requests and completions, plus access to features like background agents. If you need even more power, their Ultra plan goes up to $200 a month. Now let's look at TRAE's Pro plan. It's incredibly affordable at just $3 for your first month and then only $10 a month after that. What do you get for this? You receive a generous 600 fast requests of premium AI models, unlimited slow requests, and unlimited autocomplete. This means consistent, high-quality AI assistance for almost every coding need. So for less than half the monthly cost of Cursor's Pro plan after your first month, TRAE offers a powerful set of features designed to significantly boost your productivity. While Cursor's free plan gives you limited requests and completions, Cursor's recent price model left a lot of people confused or frustrated. TRAE, on the other hand, offers a much more transparent system, as mentioned earlier, only $3 for 600 fast requests, with clear usage tracking. TRAE's approach makes premium AI coding assistance much more accessible. So if you're looking for a completely affordable solution with premium features, TRAE is the way to go. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description. What if I told you there's a website and download TRAE AI for Windows, Mac, or Linux in seconds? Sign up, adjust a few settings, and you're ready to unlock all the amazing features, whether you start free or upgrade to the Pro plan.